Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Baby Shop. In this video, we try to help you find out the best kiddie pools on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 5. Intex Ultra XTR Ground Kiddie Pool. This thing is fantastic for kids who can swim. It's bigger and deeper at 132 centimeters than most kiddie pools. In fact, it's so big that you won't feel like you're in a kiddie pool. It can comfortably fit between 6 to 8 kids or adults inside, and you still won't bump into each other. You can expect to get use out of this over many seasons. Some have had theirs for almost 10 years, and theirs is still going strong. The kids can play rough in it every single day of the summer holidays, and it still stands its ground. It's big enough that the kids won't outgrow it, so you won't feel the need to continuously upgrade, saving you money in the long run. Number 4. Yalwix Family Pool. You and your kids will have plenty of room for splashing around in this 6-person family pool, and it's one of the most cute and fun options on this list. Heck, even the dogs would love it. It has a reliable water pump included and is big enough to attach a slide to it. The Yalwix holds air particularly well, and you won't have to keep topping it up. Some of the cheaper imitations have micro leaks and gradually lose air over days, not so in this case. Number 3. Intex Sunshade Inflatable Pool. The Intex Sunshade is great for many reasons, but one sticks out in particular: its shade. Parents can relax in the knowledge that their little ones are safe from harmful UV rays, not to mention heat exhaustion and heat stroke. And because of the sun protection it offers, it means children can play in the pool for longer. The underwater graphics are a nice touch too. It's rare to find a children's pool that's inoffensive to look at. They often stick out like a sore thumb. Number 2. V-Hanver Foldable Pool. A wild card. Okay, hear me out. It's a pet pool, but in my defense, there's a picture of a kid in the product photo. The V-Hanver Foldable Pool is one of the few hard plastic pools on the market. It's not inflatable. If you have pets as well as children, you'll be hard-pressed trying to keep them out of the pool, and a stray claw here, or there is often the cause of kids' pools bursting. What's more, you don't need a pump to inflate, nor do you need to wait for it to deflate, or fold it over a bajillion times until every last breath has been purged from both the inflatable and you. It folds up neatly in a matter of seconds, which is perfect for storage. They come in a few different sizes too. Number 1. Step 2 Play and Shade Pool. What do you get when you combine a water table with a classic hard plastic paddling pool? The Step 2 Play and Shade Pool. Toddlers can splash around and use the funnel cups to activate the spinning water wheel. It has 2 molded seats that hold up to 50 pounds each, meaning siblings or friends can play side by side. And parents don't have to worry too much about slips and falls because the bottom of the pool is embossed with sea creatures that provide traction for tiny feet. Better yet, it comes with a detachable sun umbrella that provides a shady spot for summertime fun.